Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the complete setup process for the HP ScanJet Pro 2000 S2 sheet feed scanner, one of the most reliable document scanners available for home offices and small businesses. Whether you just unboxed it or you're setting it up for the first time, this video will take you through every single step, from placing the scanner correctly to installing the software on your computer. So stay with us till the end, and by the time this video is done, your scanner will be fully ready to use. Let us get started. Step 1. First, place your scanner on a flat and stable surface. Make sure the area is well ventilated, dust-free, away from direct sunlight, and within a temperature range of 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is important because proper placement improves performance and increases the life of your scanner. Step 2. Now, carefully unbox your scanner. Remove all protective tapes, packing materials, and foam inserts. Make sure nothing is left inside or around the scanner before turning it on. Step 3. Next, connect the power cable. Plug the power adapter into the scanner, then connect it to a wall outlet or surge protector. Important: always use the original power cable provided with the scanner to avoid damage. Step 4. Now press the power button on the scanner. If the green LED light turns on, your scanner is powered successfully and ready for the next step. Step 5. You have two options to connect your scanner. Option 1. USB connection. Recommended. For Windows users, do not connect the USB cable yet. You'll be prompted during the software installation. For Mac users, you can connect the USB cable right now. Step 6. Now we need to install the scanner software on your computer. Follow these steps carefully. Open your web browser and go to www.hp.com/support. On the HP support page, click on Software and Drivers. Search for your scanner model, HP ScanJet Pro 2000 S2, or go directly to www.hp.com/SJ2000S2. Select your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and then download the full software package. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file from your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen installation instructions carefully. When the installer asks you to select a connection type, choose USB connection, since that is how we connected our 2000 S2 scanner. If you were on Windows and were waiting to plug in the USB cable, now is the time. Connect the USB cable when the software prompts you to. The software will automatically detect the scanner and finish the installation. Step 7. Congratulations! Your HP ScanJet Pro 2000 S2 sheet feed scanner is now fully set up. Let's do a quick scan to make sure everything is working perfectly. Place a document face down in the document feeder tray at the top of the scanner. Open the HP scanning software on your computer. Click on Scan and watch your document feed through smoothly. Check the scanned image on your screen. It should be clear, sharp, and correctly aligned. If the scan looks great, you're all set. Your scanner is fully operational. And that's it. You have successfully set up your HP ScanJet Pro 2000 S2 sheet feed scanner from start to finish. We hope this step-by-step guide made the setup process easy and stress-free for you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and helps us create more helpful tech guides like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials.